If you want to unlink your email from X, formerly Twitter, and replace it with a new one, this video will walk you through the process step by step. This is a simple but important account update, especially if you want to keep your profile information current, improve account security, or switch to a new email address you actually use. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open X and log into the account you want to update. Once you are on the main dashboard, look at the left-hand navigation menu. At the bottom or near the top, depending on your screen size, you will see the More option. Click More to open additional account settings. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the important account controls, including privacy, security, and personal information. Inside that menu, click on Your Account, then select Account Information. You may be asked to confirm your identity by entering your password or completing another verification step, so make sure you have access to the account before continuing. Now you should see your account details. Find the Email section and click on it. This is where you can change the email address linked to your X account. Type in the new email address you want to connect to the account. Double-check it carefully before moving forward, because even a small typo can cause problems with verification and login access later. After entering the new email, X will send a verification code to that email address. Open your inbox, find the message from X, and copy the code. Then return to X and enter the code in the verification field to confirm the change. Once the code is accepted, your new email will be linked to the account. At this point, the old email is no longer the primary email associated with your X account, so if your goal was to unlink it, this is the key step. Just remember that you should always make sure the new email is active and accessible before making the switch. That way, you won't lose access to important account notifications, password resets, or security alerts. And that's it. You've now updated the email linked to your X account and successfully replaced the old one with a new address. If this guide helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quick how-to tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.